Hello everyone. Today we will show you 10 basic Linux commands for beginners. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it. Print working directory, PWD. The PWD command prints your working directory. In other words, it outputs the path of the directory you are currently working in. There are two options: logical to display your location with any symlinks, and physical to display your location after resolving any symlinks. Make directory, mkdir. Making directories is easy with the mkdir command. The following command creates a directory called example unless example already exists. You can make directories within directories. If directories example and 1 already exist, only directory 2 is created. If none of them exist, then 3 nested directories are created. List, ls coming from MS-DOS. I was used to listing files with the dir command. I don't recall working on Linux at the time, although today, dir is in the GNU Core Utilities package. Most people use the ls command to display the files, along with all their properties, are in a directory. The ls command has many options, including the -l to view a long listing of files, displaying the file owner and permissions. Change directory, cd. T is often necessary to change directories. That's the cd command's function. For instance, this example takes you from your home directory into the documents directory. You can quickly change to your home directory with cd tilde or just cd on most systems. You can use cd ... to move up a level. Remove a file, rm. Removing files is inherently dangerous. Traditionally, the Linux terminal has no trash or bin like the desktop does. So many terminal users have the bad habit of permanently removing data they believe they no longer need. There's no unremove command though, so this habit can be problematic should you accidentally delete a directory containing important data. A Linux system provides rm and shred for data removal. To delete file example.txt, type the following. Copy a file, cp, copy files with the cp command. The syntax is copy from here to there. Here's an example. Move and rename a file, mv. Renaming and moving a file is functionally the same process. When you move a file, you take a file from one directory and put it into a new one. When renaming a file, you take a file from one directory and put it back into the same directory or a different directory, but with a new name. Either way, you use the mv command. Create an empty file, touch. Easily create an empty file with the touch command. Escalate privileges, sudo. While administering your system, it may be necessary to act as the superuser, also called root. This is where the sudo, or superuser do, command comes in. Assuming you're trying to do something that your computer alerts you that only an administrator or root user can do, just preface it with the command sudo. Shut down, power off. The power off command does exactly what it sounds like. It powers your computer down. It requires sudo to succeed. There are actually many ways to shut down your computer and some variations on the process. For instance, the shutdown command allows you to power down your computer after an arbitrary amount of time, such as 60 seconds. Or immediately. You can also restart your computer with sudo shutdown-r now or just reboot. I hope I could add something to you with this video. Remember, the only way to learn is to practice constantly. Practice, practice, again, practice. Please don't forget to like and share the video. I would be very happy if you subscribe to the channel.